I'll show you how to find your private key and recovery phrase in Coinbase wallet, now known as Base app. With the recovery phrase, we can recover our same wallet on any other device. So within the wallet, go to the bottom right, click the wallet icon. Then up in the top right hand corner, press the settings icon. This blue box here should have your ID on there, so press this. I'll show you the private key first, down at the bottom. So show private key, allow. This is the wallet. So you can copy this down, and if you want to recover the wallet elsewhere, you can use the private key. This is a complex string of numbers and letters. So if you write it down with a mistake, or if you copy and paste and there can be a mistake in there, if the numbers get scrambled, then you won't know which letter or number is incorrect. And so people don't usually use the private key. What we usually use is the recovery phrase, which takes the private key and turns it into 12 human readable words. So we're going to come out, go up to the top where it says recovery phrase, click that, press allow. This is 12 human readable words. So if there's a mistake in one of these words, it's a lot easier to guess what the word should be. And if you have these 12 words, you can recover the wallet on any other device just by putting in the 12 words. So you can write these down or copy them, and don't let anyone see these and don't store them online, because anyone that has these 12 words can access the wallet and take all of the crypto out. So that's the recovery phrase. Now, in order to use this to back up your wallet or to go ahead and recover it, you can come out into the settings again, then go to manage all wallets, and it says import a wallet here. How do you want to import it? Recovery phrase. So the recovery phrase here, those 12 words, you can use it to recover your wallet on any other device. The private key isn't used as much, so the recovery phrase is really what you want.